Hello po, magandang umaga, magandang gabi, magandang tanghali po sa lahat. Welcome po sa Miracle Taste channel namin ni Mary. Today's vlog po namin ay lalabas kami at mag-walking. Ang ganda-ganda sa labas. At 63 degrees yata yung weather namin ngayon. Spring ay palapit ng palapit na talaga. Nandiyan na talaga sa corner. Spring na. O, di ba, Mary?
Yeah, gonna Maya, gonna get shocked.
Oh, Maya siya.
Get rock.
Yeah, mag-walking kami ngayon sa ano namin. Ayan na. Ready na kami. Okay. Lalabas kami. Aray, color this. Labas kami, guys. Ayan. Ang ganda ng panahon. Thank you, Lord. Thank you very much, Lord. Ang ganda ng panahon. Oh my God. Oh, tingnan niyo. Ang ganda ng panahon. Ah? Wow. Say hi.
Hi, Zach. I'm here.
Kyle, what are you doing? What are you doing?
We're going to high school.
High school? Come over here. Okay. Mary.
Hey.
Hello. Kyle, we're going this way.
No, sorry. I'm not gonna teenage rock.
Oh, yeah.
No, Maya, no, Zach.
Uh-huh. Oops. Ayan na, maglakad na si Mary at si Kyle. Ayan na silang dalawa. Okay. Say hi.
Hi. Hi. No, Zach, Mia, no, car.
Mia?
No, Mia, no, Zach.
Lakad kami, maglakad dahil ang ganda ng panahon. The street. Ayan, ang ganda ng panahon. Wow. Ang ganda ng panahon. Don't do that. Don't do that. Where are you going? Gonna go this way. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng panahon. Ano siya? At saka yung sky. Look at the sky. Ang ganda ng sky. Yay! Ayun yung moon. I told you, do not lagi walk in the middle of the road. Ang ganda. Ang ganda, baby, right? Mary?
Ma.
Is it nice? Look at, baby. Stop that. Oh, you're walking. Yeah. Ayan. Oh my God. Ayan, ang ganda. O, tingnan mo yung moon. Wait for us. Ayan. Ayaw talaga magpaano ni Kyle. Eh. I know. Don't go there.
No, today.
Hey! Oh, look at you! I didn't realize that's you. You're getting big.
Yeah, I know. I've actually been walking
Cameron.
for like 2 hours now.
You
Not
did?
even kidding. By like 6:20, that'll mark like 8 miles.
Every day?
No,
Oh, just today?
Just today.
Really?
Like I've been walking.
Kim, my
2 hours
goodness,
straight.
Kim. I didn't realize that that's you.
Yeah, I know. I look.
You look so handsome though.
different.
Yeah, Kim. Say hi, Kim. I'm vlogging, Kim.
Hello.
This is our neighbor, Cameron. Kyle's schoolmate, right?
Yeah.
Look at how handsome he is. He's so big now. Yeah, that's Kylan Kim. Okay, sweetheart. I didn't realize that it's you.
Alright, have a good day.
You too, sweetheart. Bye.
Oh.
Oh my God, ang laki niya. Oh my God. Kyle, just wait. Kyle. Over here. Oh, that's Cameron, right? Yeah. Ito na. Yay. Me and Mary was walking. Oh my God. Oh my God. Uh-huh. How do you like it? You like it? Ayan. Don't run.
Don't guys. Sama man. No do that. Don't run, guys.
I know.
No.
Just wait, baby. Walking kami. Yeah, look at that. Yay! Yeah, I know. Kyle, just wait us. Ayan si Mary, ayan si Mary. Ayan. I know. Ayan. No, be careful. Yeah, look at that.
Get in the tree.
Oh my God. Ang ganda na sa labas. Oh yeah, ang ganda-ganda sa labas, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Look at that.
Oh, let it go, let it go. Oh yeah, look at that. Come on. Yeah, the tree. Hey. Hold Mary.
Hey.
Hold Mary. Ayan ha.
Sorry.
Ang ganda ng sky. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, diba?
Money. Sorry.
Wait. No, come on, Kyle. Kyle, come here. Oh. Come here. No, look at that, the sky. Yeah, look at the sky. Yeah, look at the very pretty. Yeah, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, go cross the street. Ayun, nagtakbuhan ng mga ano. Kyle. Wait. Yeah.
the ball.
Come on. The moon. Oh, look at the moon. Yeah, look at the moon. Yeah, look at the moon. Oh my God. It's so nice.
There. Look
Wow.
at sky. Look at the snake in the bed.
Very pretty.
Come on. Look at mommy.
Yeah, just wait.
Listen.
Let's go to high school now. Let's go to high school.
Tomorrow na lang.
Yeah.
No. Listen, my jacket. Mama, the ship gotta get past.
Ayan.
No.
Recycle day pala dito sa street na to. Oh, that grills. Somebody grill. Yep. Mary.
Honey, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, wow.
Let's get.
Yeah.
Mama, the ship gotta get past, Mama.
Yeah, look at this. Look at.
Dad.
Cold.
No cold.
Ah, okay.
No cut.
Ang ganda talaga ng sky. Hold on.
We going? Wait. I was going to high school.
Oh, watch out, ha? Okay, look out. Oh my God. Watch out, Kyle. Ayun, may naglalakad din. Oh, okay. Ayan na. Ayan na kaming Mary. Kyle!
Mama, Jimmy.
It's 6 o'clock already. Ayan. Ayan ang dalawa. Takbo.
Mama,
Come on. Come on.
it's Jimmy.
Yeah. Why? Did you see someone there?
Look at that.
Okay, yeah. Oops.
Hami nga that.
Naglalakad kami pauwi na. Yeah.
Ajinis na rock.
Pauwi na kami.
Reki.
Ay, napagod si ako eh. Ayan.